Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free tickets in Bloxburg. Guys, you can get 150,000 tickets for completely free using a Bloxburg code working in 2024, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, guys. This will take about 5 minutes to get your free tickets, and it is completely safe, completely free, and you just need to use your mobile phone. So you can see I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter which phone you have. Just open up the internet browser and go to this website to get your Bloxburg codes. www.robotcoupons. Oops, sorry guys, let's retype that. Just accidentally cancelled it. robotcoupons.com. So make sure you go to this website, guys, type it correctly. This is a codes website and they have tons and tons of pages. My internet's a bit slow, but yeah, you can see they have lots of pages on here. So you're going to want to go to the search bar and search for the Bloxburg page. Now, if your internet's working, it should just pop up. There you go, Bloxburg secret codes. So just navigate your way to this page on Robot Coupons. Now, there is a bunch of different codes to choose from, ranging from money to Bloxbucks to, of course, free tickets. So you can see you can get free 150,000 tickets in Bloxburg. So, guys, these codes are limited in number. So when you tap on show codes, you will need to unlock your Bloxburg code, but it is completely free and, of course, completely simple. So you just need to simply tap unlock code, and this loading screen is going to count up to 100. I'm going to cancel it. I've already got my code and I don't want to waste one for a video. But basically, guys, when you click on that show code, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your Bloxburg code for your free tickets. It will take about 5 minutes, so just follow all of the instructions. And once you've done that, your code will be revealed. So these stars will turn into sort of numbers and characters, and you can redeem it in-game for your free tickets in Bloxburg. So that is it, guys. It is super simple, by far the easiest method to get tickets. So go to Robot Coupons, guys, search for the Bloxburg secret code page and select your code, unlock your code, follow all of the instructions, verify you are not a robot, and it's going to give you your free tickets. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.